In the heart of a rugged mountain, where dust rises and steel meets stone, the power of heavy machinery comes to life. A mighty Doosan excavator hammers through giant boulders, breaking them into pieces. A Caterpillar 966F loader charges in, scooping up massive rocks and loading them onto a Massey Ferguson 375 tractor trolley. The journey begins. Across uneven terrain, the loaded trolley moves steadily, bringing its hull to the jaw crusher. Here, raw stone meets raw power, as the crusher roars, crushing the boulders into perfect-sized aggregates for construction and industry. This is more than just machinery at work. This is the backbone of infrastructure, the force behind progress. Stay tuned for the ultimate display. Amidst the towering peaks and rugged terrain, the Doosan excavator roars to life. Armed with a heavy-duty hydraulic hammer, it strikes with relentless force, shattering massive boulders into smaller fragments. Dust rises as steel meets stone, each powerful blow bringing the mountain one step closer to transformation. This is precision engineering in action, raw power controlled with expert precision. As the rocks break apart, the groundwork for roads, buildings, and infrastructure takes shape. From nature's toughest formations to the foundation of progress, this is the power of Doosan excavators at work. Stay tuned for the ultimate display of strength and efficiency. Built for the toughest jobs, the Caterpillar 966F wheel loader dominates the rugged mountain site. With its massive bucket and unstoppable power, it charges forward, scooping up shattered rocks with ease. The hydraulic arms rise, effortlessly lifting tons of stone, ready to load the next haul. Whether it's filling tractor trolleys or feeding the jaw crusher, this beast is made for the task. Precision, power, and reliability, every move is calculated, every load is delivered. This isn't just a machine, it's the heartbeat of aggregate production. Stay tuned as the Caterpillar 966F continues to shape the landscape, one bucket at a time. With each movement, the Caterpillar 966F proves its dominance. Its powerful hydraulic system ensures smooth, effortless lifting, handling the roughest terrain with unmatched stability. As the bucket tilts, massive rocks pour into the Massey Ferguson 375 tractor trolley, ready for transport. The loader moves with precision, its tires gripping the rocky surface as it maneuvers effortlessly between excavation sites and crushing zones. No delays, no downtime, just relentless performance. In this harsh mountain environment, where only the toughest survive, the Cat 966F stands as a true workhorse, driving the operation forward. The dust rises, the engines roar, this is heavy machinery at its finest. Stay with us as we bring you the power, the action, and the sheer force of industrial excellence. High in the rugged mountains, where nature stands tall and unyielding, the Doosan excavator moves with precision and raw power. Its massive steel arm reaches out, gripping the earth with unstoppable force. Dust swirls into the air as its hydraulic system powers the mighty hammer, preparing for impact. With each calculated strike, the hydraulic hammer slams into the unforgiving rock, sending shockwaves through the mountainside. Boom! The force is undeniable, stone splinters and cracks under the relentless blows, breaking apart into smaller fragments, ready for the next stage of processing. The sound echoes across the valley, a rhythmic reminder of human ingenuity, conquering the elements. The operator inside the cab controls every movement with precision, guiding the hammer to split even the toughest boulders. The Doosan excavator, built for endurance and efficiency. Now, sit back and enjoy the raw, unfiltered sounds of heavy machinery in action. Feel the power of the Doosan excavator, Caterpillar 966F loader, and the mighty jaw crusher as they transform rugged mountains into valuable aggregate. Every strike, every lift, every movement, captured in stunning 4K quality with original machine sounds. Stay tuned for more high-definition heavy machinery videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Machine Media 247. Let us know what kind of heavy machinery action you want to see next. Also, check out our playlist for more incredible family-friendly machine videos that are safe to watch with everyone. Your support helps us bring more powerful and exciting content, so keep watching, keep enjoying, and keep building with us.